Welcome to a journey through the heart of Indian cuisine, where every dish tells a story and every bite is an explosion of flavor. Today, we embark on a culinary adventure through the traditional Indian dishes that have captivated taste buds around the globe. At the core of Indian cooking are the spices, a symphony of flavors that dance together in perfect harmony. Take, for example, the iconic dish, vegetable biryani. Fragrant basmati rice infused with saffron, layered with an assortment of vegetables and aromatic spices, cooked to perfection. Or perhaps the tantalizing aroma of butter chicken, a dish that originated in the kitchens of Delhi. Tender chicken marinated in a rich blend of yogurt and spices, simmered in a velvety tomato and butter sauce. And let's not forget about the beloved street food chat. Crisp, savory snacks topped with tangy chutneys, yogurt, and an assortment of spices, creating a burst of flavors with every bite. But beyond the tantalizing flavors, Indian cuisine is also about bringing people together. It's about the warmth of sharing a meal with loved ones, passing down recipes from generation to generation. And no Indian meal is complete without a touch of sweetness. From the decadent gulab jamun to the delicate rasgulla, each dessert is a celebration of culture and tradition. So, whether you're savoring the complex spices of a curry or indulging in a sweet treat, each bite of Indian cuisine is a journey through centuries of tradition and flavor.